Namaste, welcome.
welcome. MCQ on Operation Research. Question number 1. Feasible solution satisfies. The answer is option 3, both A and B. Question number 2. One of the assumptions in the game theory is. The answer is option 1, all players act rationally and intelligently. Question number 3. A game involving n persons is known as. The answer is option 3, n-person game. Question number 4. The list of courses of action with each player. The answer is option 1, is finite. Question number 5. Theory of Games and Economic Behavior is published by. The answer is option 1, John von Neumann and Morgenstern. Question number 6. A two-person zero-sum game means that they. The answer is option 1, the sum of losses to one player is equal to the sum of gains to other. Question number 7. A game is said to be fair if. The answer is option 1, both upper and lower values of the game are the same and 0. Question number 8. Game theory models are classified by they. The answer is option 4, all of these. Question number 9. What happens when maximum and minimax values of the game are same? The answer is option 3, saddle point exists. Question number 10. A mixed strategy game can be solved by. The answer is option 4, all of these. Question number 11. The size of the payoff matrix of a game can be reduced by using the principle of. The answer is option 3, dominance. Question number 12. The payoff value for which each player in a game always selects the same strategy is called they. The answer is option 1, saddle point. Question number 13. A saddle point exists when. The answer is option 3, minimax value equals maximum value. Question number 14. In a pure strategy game, the answer is option 2, a particular strategy is selected by each player. Question number 15. In a mixed strategy game, the answer is option 1, no saddle point exists. Question number 16. Linear programming method should be used to determine the values of the game when the size of the payoff matrix is. The answer is option 2, 3 cross 4. Question number 17. When the game is not having a saddle point, then the following method is used to solve the game. The answer is option 1, linear programming method. Question number 18. Game theory is the study of. The answer is option 1, selecting optimal strategies. Question number 19. If the value of the game is 0, then the game is known as. The answer is option 1, fair strategy. Question number 20. When there is dominance in a game, then. The answer is option 2, least of the row less than or equal to highest of another row. Thank you. Like, follow, subscribe.